Hello, Cardano community. Darlington here with the Lighter Nation crew, and I am here to close out our fun 8 proposals. Proposal singular. Blockchain surveys for DAOs and more. The big idea for this was to let a team or a marketing team in a DAO community ask a question or two or three. Um, but then be able to segment the response in multiple ways. Let's do a quick demo. So once you sign up, um, uh, you can create an ask. You can subscribe to the service for some premium features we're working on. But out of the stuff I'm demoing today is free and will remain free. This is part of the proposal to try out this cool way of paying for service with, say, your delegation of over 50,000 ADA, or the policy of an NFT token, fungible token, and so forth. This is all open source code that other teams can be inspired by or even just use if they are using the same stack. So here we are. We're going to create a nice report because everybody loves nice things. Indio, this is a nice report. We're going to add a start date here. This is optional. You don't have to add a start date. You can have a long running report that doesn't end. Going to ask some questions. Nice question. This is a nice question. All of the defaults are already set for you, unless you need to. Most people will not have to change this. I'm gonna add a choice because every question is a choice, right? A nice choice. You know what's better than a nice choice? Maybe a nicer choice. Think like that. You know, why stop there? This is Cardano. We could have the nicest choice. So let's go with one more. Okay, we have that. You can hit next. Now, this is super cool. It's totally optional. Now, most polls, most DAO surveys, most voting system right now tend to put the gate in front, like this. And if that's what you're into, cool, we support that. So you can say, okay, we're going to do a catalyst style voting and say you have to have this many ADA to participate, and we will prevent people who don't meet this criteria from participating. It can be against a fungible token or a non-fungible token, or you can say let's let everybody in. We will filter out the noise when we need to. So we're going to just leave that like that. And we're happy with this. We're going to hit published. Do be happy because once you hit publish, once the report is live, you cannot edit it. You can't unpublish a report and then edit it if a report hasn't received any response. But once someone responds to a report, it is locked, my friends, because this is the blockchain. So here comes the cool part. I have my report. I have my ask. Now I can invite people to participate in my survey. So I've invited some guys here and girls. There's the survey. I already have one wallet connected. I'm going to say, hey, why not? Let's do the nicest choice. And this gives you the same wallet CIP8 signature for when you want to participate. So we're going to go ahead and switch up the user here. Let's see. This guy switch up, and let's have this guy okay. This guy is going to sign. Great Choice is recorded. Let's do another one. Why not? Let's do another one. Did you already vote, my friend? Let's find out. Okay, apparently not. Great. So we have some votes. The votes are coming in. Now to the cool part. You can go ahead and create what we're calling reports. Reports is basically a way to segment the votes or to view the votes through different lenses. And this is the really cool thing that I don't think a lot of projects, I haven't seen any project that treats the voting data this way. So we hope people find this useful. First, let's just look at ADA, one vote. One ADA, one vote, no limit. You can add the start time here, start date and time. If you do that, we will exclude reports not inclusive of this date or later. So we're going to leave that open again. And this is some of the cool parts here. So now when you're adding this, you have the choice of NFT, fungible token, pool delegation, hopefully soon, DREP delegation, and then of course, classic ADA. One ADA, one vote. We're going to say minimum is one ADA because we want everybody to participate. Why not? Save the rule. We want to I think we want to change the we want to change that rule there. As you can see, if you make a mistake, you can go back. We want this to be minimum. We don't want just one ADA. We want minimum of one ADA. So click save. Now we have that. Now that we have this report, what we can do, we can go to our ask here, and we can link this report to this ask, and we can be able to see the results based on the length of one ADA, one vote. Now we can also do this for fee holders. So maybe you have a token. We have a token we've been developing called Coin. We hope the community will also enjoy when it's ready for the daylight. Let's grab that policy. So we have our policy. We can paste this in here. We will do our best to show you stuff about that token on chain in case you paste the wrong policy for some reason. And this visibility stuff is not live yet. This is some of the premium features we're working on. So nothing to do there. But we can go back again to our ask here, and we can add this second report. I'm clicking on the link report button there. Now we're going to add this report. We can add as many reports as we want. Again, the whole point of this is you can look at the results through different lenses. And we can, if we look at this, we see nicest choice is still dominating, but clearly the outcomes looks very different here in this report than that report. So those are the kind of cool things you can do. These reports can be added. The same report can be added to multiple asks, just in case perhaps you want to look at your holders of your token or NFT with different sentiments. So maybe you have different questions, but then you can look at all of the responses across all your questions on one report, which is pretty cool. A lot more cool features is coming to this, but this is what we're at. That's in scope for the proposal. This is available for people to try out on the preview environment. It's ready for mainnet. Onboarding is a bit manual to get you credentials. Once you have credentials into this dashboard, everything else is automatic. So if you're interested in trying this out in your community, please reach out. We're hoping that those early people who reach out can help shape some of the premium features. Thank you again for supporting the Lighter Nation crew. This is the proposal, blockchain surveys for DAOs and more. I will see you on the next one.